तो सेक्टर 79, सेक्टर 80 या न्यू गुड़गांव, इनमें से क्या बेटर है?
वेल, अगर हम आज की बात करें तो ऑब्वियसली देयर इज़ नो डाउट अबाउट इट, सेक्टर 79 और 80 से कहीं ज़्यादा बेटर है न्यू गुड़गांव। और लिवेबिलिटी इंडेक्स में बात करें या फिर दूसरी हम कंपैरिजन्स में बात करें तो ऑब्वियसली न्यू गुड़गांव स्टैंड्स आउट इन कंपैरिजन टू सेक्टर 79 एंड 80। बट जो एक इन्वेस्टर होता है या जो एक वाइस जो हर चीज़ को एक कंपेयर करके या फिर एक अपना वाइस डिसीजन लेना चाहे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू इन्वेस्टर या फिर विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एंड यूज एज वेल, जो आज अगर लेगा और अगर उसको कोई चीज़ आफ्टर 4 और 5 ईयर्स बाद मिलनी है तो वो एक एंड यूज़र है। तो बाय 2030 आई कैन अश्योर यू दिस कि सेक्टर 79 एंड 80 विल बी फार बेटर देन न्यू गुड़गांव। और उसका रीज़न यही है, देर आर लॉट ऑफ ecosystem which are getting developed either by when we talk about DLF. So we are right now on the DLF Privana road, if you can show that through the camera. And then there is a Signature Global Land Bank as well on sector 71, which is again close to 100 acres, 125 acres. So that's again an ecosystem which is being developed. But so the other developers as well, which we answered in our first question. So there are many developers which are working currently on the SPR extension, which is sector 79, 80 or sector 77, sector 78 on top of that as well. So there are a lot of developers which are currently working to develop that area. Now there are a lot of new things which are coming up, like if we talk about the jungle safari, and the biggest asset which sector 79 and 80 has is the Aravalis, is the green area of the Aravalis. So you can replicate the infrastructure, you can replicate all the hospitals or the schools that you have in New Gurgaon in this area as well. But what they cannot have is the Aravalis, is the presence of Aravalis. Aravalis का benefit bonus sector 79 80 को हमेशा रहेगा throughout their lifespan, throughout thousands of years. So I don't know कब तक, but then Aravalis cannot be replicated in New Gurgaon. Everything else will come here. People will enjoy the greenery, people will enjoy the environment, people will enjoy the new ecosystem, the developments, everything over here. By 2030, sector 79 and 80 is going to overtake New Gurgaon for sure.